Hi, I'm Andrea of by Andrea Janssen, and today we are going to prepare a shrimp cocktail, like the ones I used to have with Christmas every year. And we're going to prepare it with my own homemade whiskey cocktail sauce. It's really delicious, really easy to prepare, and we're going to start now. Beat the cream until it's got the thickness of yogurt with a mixer or with a whisk. Add the mayonnaise, paprika powder, ketchup and cognac, and whisk everything with a spatula. And now the sauce is ready, we're going to prepare our shrimp cocktail. Put at the bottom of a glass slices of iceberg lettuce. Spoon 4 tablespoons shrimp on top. Add the sauce on top of the shrimp and serve everything with a slice of lemon. My shrimp cocktail is ready, and of course I'm going to try it. Homemade whiskey sauce. Nothing is better than that, and it combines greatly with the shrimp. This recipe is enough for 4 persons, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the calculation for you. And I'm going to enjoy this shrimp cocktail. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!